Are you a new landscape architect dreaming of starting your career in Germany, but feeling unsure about the skills, the job market, or where to even begin? My name is Sumana, and I have walked myself this path. From studying architecture, urban design, and landscape architecture across different countries to finally building my career in Germany. Along the way, I discovered that success doesn't just come from design skills. It is also about mindset, clarity, and preparation. That's why I created CADscaping. Here you'll find 1. CAD tutorials on tools like AutoCAD and Vectorworks to sharpen your technical skills. 2. Career mentorship to help you navigate the German job market with confidence. And 3. Mindset and success strategies to turn uncertainty into clarity and action. My goal is simple: to help you turn your design skills into career success and secure the job you deserve in Germany. If that is your dream, you are in the right place. Subscribe now and let's build both your skills and career step by step.